Hey folks, Adam here, and I have my Mustang GT convertible, and I have just installed an AI smart dash cam with 2K cameras, 3 of them. A very easy install. We're going to show you all about that. We're going to show you this incredible system. So let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. Now first, when it comes to the installation, super simple installation, okay? We went ahead and this has USB-C to connect all the pieces, that rear camera, that front camera, and then it has 3M adhesive to where you can just stick that rear and front camera wherever you want. The front camera has dual cameras actually. It has a narrow lens to give you far perspective to where you can record even things like license plates. That's going to be important, particularly if you have any issues you need to show that in a court case for your safety, for your own security, for your legal safety. You got that. Then it's got 135-degree detection, wider than the natural human eye, to where it's going to be able to notify you if cars are coming, if people are crossing, or if there's any unsafe conditions. Now, the AI is smart enough to tell you if a person's crossing in front of your car, if that car takes off in front of you at the red light, a car stops too quickly, or you're going in and out of lanes. It's going to help you determine whether or not maybe you don't need to be on the road right now. Maybe you're a little sleepy. You should get some shut-eye. Get off the road if you're getting too many notifications. You know something's wrong there. Now, that 3M adhesive sticks up there perfectly, and their beautiful 2K lenses is going to give you a crystal clear image, and it's going to see very well both during the day and at night. The front and rear camera all working together with the latest algorithms and the smartest engineers putting together an incredible system that's going to give you safety and security like you've never seen before, okay? So not only is it easy to install, it's straightforward, and it comes with an SD card that you can plug right into your computer and see all of that recorded footage at a push of a button. That can become very important to prove that you're not at fault in that potential issue in the future. But you're probably not going to have any issues because this AI is going to warn you. You'll get verbal notifications to be cautious, to be careful when there's a car in front of you. This even has parking detection to where it'll watch your car for you when you're parked. All the great options that you've come to expect from this preferred company. Again, the latest AI, the latest technology, beautiful camera lenses, and it just plugs right in USB-C to connect it, and then into your USB-A port on your car. All right, folks, this is an incredible option available with a Kickstarter campaign that you're going to want to back. We'll put all the information in the description below, but let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now.
So this works as your extra eyes on the road. It has a telephoto lens, wide angle lens, beautiful 2K HD resolution, and of course that rear camera, the forward collision warning, the pedestrian detection letting you know to be careful, the lane departure. It also has forward vehicle start alarm, and BSD blind spot detection using GPS, Wi-Fi, voice control, HDR, and a fantastic app. This has been featured all over the land. It is equipped with 2 advanced lenses that work together like human eyes, but with enhanced capabilities. The telephoto lens gives you a long-range vision, capturing distant details, while the wide-angle lens provides a broad view of the road. Together, they ensure that no detail goes unnoticed, whether it's a far-off road sign, a sudden vehicle stop, a blind spot. This is capturing everything with precision. Now, with that telephoto lens, it offers 41-degree field of vision that extends up to 50 meters ahead. That means that you can read distance license plates and spot critical road signs in advance. By providing this extra reach and ensuring no important detail goes out of your sight, this can help you react more efficiently to the roads ahead. Your natural vision covers 124 degrees, but this expands to 135 degrees. The extended range lets you see more of the road and not just what's directly ahead of you. This can offer a widened, fuller, more comprehensive perspective. It also has a smart driving assistant. Traffic accidents are on the rise, but with the right tools, many can be avoided. That's where this comes in, with professional high-grade technology making a safer driving experience. By using the advanced AI and cutting-edge algorithms, Eyes converts real-world images into visual data that delivers instantly for you. This real-time information powers smart driving assistance and keeps you protected while you drive. That advanced ADAS means Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, actively monitoring your surroundings, preventing accidents before they happen, whether it's detecting pedestrians, potential collisions, and keeping your eyes on the lane. This keeps you safe at every turn. You can drive with confidence knowing this is watching out for you. And it's even got that pedestrian warning to let you know when there's a pedestrian on the road. This will even let you know in those situations at a red light where the car in front of you has stopped that it's time to get driving again. Yeah, you will never miss a signal. It will let you know about lane departures at night and keep you safe all while recording. It will have fatigue prevention as well. Fatigue is a major issue, folks, and this is going to help you know when it's time to get off the road. 3 lenses, real-time monitoring, there's nothing like it. And of course, it has easy setup using USB-C, and we'll show you all of that in the up-close portion of the video.
All right, folks, when it comes to the safety of you and your family, there's nothing like it. Like I said, you won't be disappointed, so go pick this up, get on that Kickstarter, and get to safe driving. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos. All right, folks, this is what we call our up-close portion of the video, where we kind of show you everything that we got in the box and along with products. So you can see here's the brand. It says Eyes Bionic AI Dashcam. Really fantastic stuff. Excited about this. So let's see if we can zoom out enough to be able to see this. Okay, it's got the Sony Starvis 2 sensor. That is a impressive sensor, of course. We've heard a lot about it. The 2K wide-angle camera. The 2K long focus camera. So we've got kind of dual cameras there. And the 2K rear camera. So a variety of cameras to where every angle is covered. So this is some high-end technology here. And let's go to this side. It's got that 3.99-inch full lamination touchscreen. That's nice because when you start getting on the 2-inch touchscreens, it's kind of hard to press and use anything below 2 inches. Pretty much 4 inches touchscreen means you can actually use it. That's like a full cell phone size. That's nice. Future operating system, the driving assistant, and of course, the blind spot assistance. That's going to make a world of difference in your overall safety. Now, also, we received, a nice carrying bag, and we received this, which includes a 32 gigabyte card. So I'm going to open that up for you just to show you. But for all intents and purposes, there's your card. Very tiny, 32 gig, easy to use. Whoops, excuse me. Straightforward there. Now, within the main box, we're going to see 3 things. We have included is our powered hardwired dash cam. Powered hardwire parking protection signal. Excuse me, I said that wrong. A stable power output, parking guard signal, and vehicle battery protection. So that's going to be really straightforward. I like that they've just gone ahead and done this in a manner that will go right into a USB-C, wire right in. So this is going to work even essentially like when your car is shut off. It allows you a lot of options for parking protection and making sure that nobody's able to break into your car. So that's a nice additional portion there, of course. Then we have these 2 pieces, the Bionic Dashcam and the rear camera. So before we get to the meat and potatoes there, let's look at the rear camera. Okay, again, same brand. Got that 2K camera that we talked about. And I'm gonna open that up for you so you can see what's inside. I've already taken a peek at some of this, but within it, smaller boxes. All the cabling you need, look at that, to run all the way to the back of the vehicle. I like that they keep this USB-C where you can exchange other cables, nothing proprietary, nothing difficult. USB-C is just easy to use. That makes me happy that they've just gone ahead and stuck with it. And then here, you've got the 3M adhesive on your rear camera. Little protection for the lens there. We can get that off later. There we go. But yeah, 2K camera, and that's going to fit very easily into the back area of your vehicle. So the RC01, it's a 2K camera, and they've just done a great job of providing a high quality camera that is going to be easy to set up, and that matters to me. The fact that they're sticking with USB-C, the industry standard, matters, because I've seen so many of these dash cams, zoom in just a little bit, that are difficult, you know. So this has a lot more mounting apparatus, like they've gone ahead and given you everything you need. Now to put the main camera up, okay, just 3M adhesive tape. There's your dual 2K cameras, your long distance and your wide angle. You can look at those and kind of see which is which. I'll let you guess which is which here, but how cool is that? You can see the different shaping of the lens. So you got the deep and the wide. And then they've given you all the accoutrement, all the things that you need. Before we do that, let's go to the other side. You'll see, here's that big screen, okay? There's that big screen for you, power button, a spot for your card, of course. And there's your power button. Another button here, USB-C. So that's really nice. Let me zoom out so you can see all that, but that's really, really nice that they've gone ahead and given you everything you need right there. And it looks like the SD card is just gonna, I assume, slide right there. So very straightforward. Now within also, I'm not gonna pull everything out, but your USB-C and a bunch of different adhesive, like 3M, to where you can tuck away the cabling and mount different places. So just all the accessories you need to be successful in your mounting, all included. All right, so yeah, folks, if the question is, should you pick this up? This is a tremendous brand. There we go, we put the card in there. You can also note that the fact that this is going to be recording for you, putting it on the card just makes it easier for you to access that data. And pretty much every new laptop, every new device is going to be able to access that card without any kind of converter or input, though that's right on the side of my laptop. So that's really nice. All right, so USB, we've got the A to C right here. I can run this into my Mustang in a matter of seconds, if you think about it, right? All right, folks, if your question is, should you support this Kickstarter campaign? I'm gonna give you a resounding YES. This is the best of the best. Get it so you can forget the rest. My name is Adam. We're talking about the best products in the land.